Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best record player cartridge is probably one of the most crucial components in your vinyl playback system, acting as the needle that translates the physical grooves of your records into the electrical signals that ultimately become the music you hear, and choosing the right one can dramatically elevate your listening experience from merely adequate to truly breathtaking. So let's dive into what makes a cartridge great and how to pick the perfect one for your turntable and your ears. Number 5. 1x1 High Fidelity Belt Drive Turntable. Experience music like never before with this beautifully crafted turntable. Its elegant design, featuring wood and metal, adds a touch of sophistication to any space. Enjoy your vinyl collection at 33 or 45 revolutions per minute. You can also stream music wirelessly or connect other devices via AUX for a truly versatile listening experience. Featuring a magnetic cartridge and adjustable counterweight, it delivers rich, warm audio. Enjoy authentic sound, free from noise and distortion. Easily pair your smartphone, tablet, or PC via Bluetooth. Stream your favorite playlists directly through its speakers for ultimate convenience. The diamond-tipped stylus ensures exceptional clarity and precision. It tracks your record's grooves perfectly, delivering high-definition audio. With auto-off functionality, it conserves power when not in use. Enjoy your music with peace of mind and effortless operation. What we like. This record player offers a beautiful aesthetic with its wood and metal construction. It's an all-in-one solution, featuring built-in speakers and Bluetooth connectivity for versatile playback options. If you're looking for a stylish unit that combines classic design with modern convenience and can play music from your phone, this is a great choice. What people say. The speaker is so high quality and the pin is an Audio-Technica high quality pin. The platter is so stable and the sound quality is just amazing. Great sound quality right out of the box. The audio is clear and rich. It has a nice retro look that adds character to the room while still offering modern Bluetooth functionality. The sound is noticeably fuller than more budget models. It's not as good as a full sound system obviously, but it's great for casual listening. Number 4. Record Player Cartridge with Diamond Stylus Replacement. Experience clearer, smoother stereo sound with our high-output Diamond Stylus. It delivers exceptional durability and gentle playback, protecting your cherished albums. This replacement is designed to fit most record players on the market. It's compatible with popular brands like Crosley, ION, and Victrola, ensuring a great fit for your turntable. Replacing your old needle is a breeze. You can easily install this new one yourself without any special tools or assistance. Enjoy up to 300 hours of playback with this brand new needle. Regular replacement ensures optimal performance for your record player. This package includes 1 turntable cartridge and 4 premium replacement needles. Each needle comes protected in its own case for safe storage and transport. What we like. This package provides excellent value with a turntable cartridge and 4 Diamond Stylus replacements. It's designed for broad compatibility with many popular record player brands. If you're a budget-conscious vinyl enthusiast who wants to ensure you always have a fresh stylus ready for optimal sound and record protection, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Everything was much clearer. Solved my skipping on my Victrola Empire. I was amazed it put the volume up by a third and records I had that skipped didn't skip as badly. One actually played all the way through with no skips. Number 3. Audio-Technica at VM95CH Headshell Cartridge Combo Kit Blue. Experience superior sound with this premium turntable Headshell and cartridge combo. It's designed for exceptional audio performance. This unit features a dual magnet cartridge equipped with a 0.6mm conical stylus. It ensures accurate tracking and clear audio reproduction. Built with a robust aluminum cantilever, it provides stability and durability for consistent playback. Enjoy reliable performance every time. Specially wound coils are integrated to increase the output voltage. This means a stronger, clearer signal for your music. Mounting is a breeze thanks to threaded inserts in the cartridge body. It attaches securely with just 2 screws, eliminating the need for nuts. This is a universal 1/2-inch mount head shell, compatible with most 4-pin turntable cartridges. It offers broad integration possibilities. What we like. This combo kit features a dual magnet cartridge with a conical stylus for clear audio reproduction. Its innovative design allows for easy mounting with just 2 screws, eliminating the need for nuts. If you're looking to upgrade your turntable's cartridge with a reliable and user-friendly option that offers good sound quality, this is a solid choice. What people say. This stylus is very forgiving when playing less than perfect albums. It provides a rich, warm sound with more than enough detail. The high notes were brilliant, the mid-range clear, and the basses came through unmuddied. I'm so impressed with the quality and clarity of this stylus. It's conical, by the way. It's an incredible value. I find older records sound less distorted with this conical stylus than they do with the VM95E elliptical. Number 2. Neoteck Digital Turntable Stylus Force Gauge. For those dedicated to the art of vinyl playback, this tool is indispensable. It ensures optimal sound quality and protects your valuable records and turntable investment. It accurately measures the tracking force, ensuring the protection of your vinyl collection, precise sound reproduction, and prolonged turntable lifespan. This digital stylus force gauge boasts a high-performance chipset and aluminum sensor for accurate and fast measurements. Elevate your vinyl playback experience with this upgraded digital tracking force scale, offering a maximum range of 5G and 0.01G resolution. You can enjoy seamless operations such as zero setting and automatic shutoff. It supports 6 units conversion, including G, Oz, CT, OSD, GN, TL to meet your different needs. A leather case is included for easy storage. This digital cartridge stylus tracking force scale gauge features a blue LCD display, ensuring clear and precise readings of your stylus tracking force. The high-contrast LCD screen makes it easy to read measurements in any lighting condition. Use this stylus force gauge to set the perfect tracking force and protect your records. Then, place the record weight stabilizer on your turntable to reduce vibrations and enhance sound clarity. Finally, keep your valued vinyl organized and safe in the storage box for a seamless vinyl experience. What we like. This digital stylus force gauge offers exceptional accuracy with its 0.01G resolution, ensuring optimal tracking force for your records. It features a clear blue LCD display and supports multiple unit conversions for versatile use. If you're serious about vinyl playback, want to protect your valuable records and stylus, and need precise adjustments, this tool is essential for audiophile-grade performance. What people say. The Neoteck Digital Turntable Stylus Force Gauge works perfect. I used it to set tracking force on my project debut Carbon, and it was easy to zero, simple to use, and accurate. Measurements were consistent, which made dialing in the stylus quick and stress-free. The display is bright and easy to read, and calibration was quick. I checked my setup and found my tracking force was off by nearly half a gram. No wonder it didn't sound quite right before. Now everything tracks smoother and the distortion near the end of records is gone. When I acquired my turntable, I adjusted it according to the factory manual and thought I had done it right, although my ears told me something wasn't quite right. My records, even the newest ones, sounded dirty. A lot of clicks and pops. When I received the scale, the tone arm had a weight of only 1.4G when it should have had 2. I made the precise adjustment, and what a difference. Number 1. Angel's Horn Bluetooth Turntable. Experience your vinyl collection with the convenience of wireless technology. This record player features built-in Bluetooth 5.0, allowing you to stream music from your compatible devices. Enjoy high-fidelity sound with its 4 built-in speakers. You can also wirelessly play music from other devices or connect external speakers for an even richer audio experience. This turntable plays all your 7, 10, and 12-inch vinyl records at either 33, 13 or 45 revolutions per minute. Select the speed that perfectly matches your vinyl for an authentic sound. Equipped with an AT3600L magnetic cartridge, it tracks your record's grooves with precision for high-definition audio. The adjustable counterweight ensures rich, warm sound free from noise and distortion. Crafted from wood and metal, this record player boasts a unique, layered aesthetic. Its removable dust cover keeps it clean, making it a stylish addition to any home and a perfect gift for music lovers. What we like. This turntable combines a belt drive system with Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless wireless music streaming from your devices. It boasts built-in speakers for an all-in-one listening experience and uses the reputable at-3600L magnetic cartridge for high-fidelity sound. If you desire a modern, convenient record player that looks great, sounds good, and offers both vinyl playback and Bluetooth connectivity, this is an excellent all-around option. What people say. The Stylus is easy to install. It tracks well and sounds great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.